Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create and remove user accounts on a MacBook Air M4. First, you're gonna have to open the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen and select System Settings. In System Settings, you're gonna have to scroll down the sidebar and select Users and Groups section. Then to add a new user, click Add User icon. Provide your MacBook password in the following field and press enter. Then you're gonna have to select the user type, either standard, sharing only, or administrator. Provide their full name in the first field. In the second field, provide their account name, and then provide their password in the password field and verify their password in the following field. Then you can also add a password hint if you want to. And then click Create User to add this user to the list. You can also customize their avatar by clicking on it and then select from various different options for their avatar right here. Once you're done, just click Save. And then to remove this user, you have to click the information icon next to them. Then select Delete User. And then you have to choose whether to save the home folder in a disk image, or don't change the home folder, or delete the home folder to delete their account along with their data. Click Delete User to confirm. And at this point, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.